How to upload audio to Roblox in mobile. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to go to your mobile and then you have to locate a Roblox here, but make sure that you're using the latest version of your Roblox application. Tap this one. Okay, so once you're here in Roblox, all you have to do now is to simply go to this three dots here. Tap this one and then go to create, scroll down, that is under inventory, tap create here, and it will take you to the site. So actually you can just simply skip to this and then tap these three lines at the top left corner. So if you're going to tap this one here, you can see here dashboard. You just have to tap dashboard, and this is what it looks like. Now, what you're going to do here is to go to developer items and then look for audio. Tap this one here. Now you just have to upload your audio from your gallery, from your Google Drive, something like that. Okay, click upload, and then you just have to look for the specific file here, MP3 or OGG, and then you just have to type the name so that you can easily locate this one. And also you can add description. And then after that, all you have to do is to click upload. Now, once you have uploaded your audio here, all you have to do is to go back to your Roblox account, go to the three dots, tap inventory, and you can see there the result. Under my category, just tap audio. So under category, you just have to tap audio. And then you will see the audios that you have uploaded to your Roblox here. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.